for our Monday afternoon, we certainly have a nice sunny day out there across the area, but it's still a little on the chillier side for us. Things will gradually warm up a bit going into our Tuesday and Wednesday ahead of some high rain chances that will move in for our Wednesday, which will be much needed beneficial rain. Actually, I have a little bit of a drought that has been developing across the area, and even the rain that we had over the weekend really didn't amount to too much, but we did have a line of strong storms rolling through the area, but definitely pleasant conditions out there right now. There's the view from our Savannah camera looking toward downtown and the Savannah River along River Street. Temperature-wise, we are below where we should be for this time of the year, in the lower 50s for many of us, 55 degrees for Richmond Hill, 54 for Savannah. So not too bad, all things considered, but it is considerably colder than where we were yesterday at this time, 10 to 15 degrees, even almost 20 degrees colder. But tomorrow we should warm up a little bit more, but then another significant cool down is in the forecast for the later part of the week after Wednesday's storm system clears out. So for this evening, we'll have a clear sky around. Temperatures will be in the 40s early on. Low temperatures once we head past midnight will be down into the 30s for most of us. So not a bad start to our Tuesday. But then as we head through the middle part of the week, that's when things will really change with the next storm system moving in from the west, giving us a high chance for rain. We do expect there to be some scattered to rain likely, with even some heavy rain setting up for our Wednesday. Things will clear out for our Thursday and Friday, maybe a couple of showers for our Saturday, with another system that will move in for Sunday. That brings us the potential for a few showers and storms during this time frame, as we have some drier air moving in where temperatures will be below normal. Again, we'll have what will likely be one last shot of winter temperatures for us here in the southeast. But for tomorrow, we'll keep things pretty nice and dry because of high pressure and control around the southeast that will settle in right over us. But eventually, as that pulls more to the east, we will have some cloud cover return during the day tomorrow ahead of this system that is organizing the midsection of the country. This will bring us the rain chances for Wednesday, mainly into Wednesday, and then behind that, much colder air will be moving in. And it is possible for some areas of North Georgia and into the upstate of South Carolina and across North Carolina to have some wintry weather with this system. However, it is going to be staying too warm for us locally for us to worry about anything like that. We are just expecting rain to be moving in and then colder air moving in time for Thursday and Friday and Saturday mornings, especially for many of us, will be down into the 20s for those lows, but conditions will get closer to normal then as we head into next week. For tonight, though, mainly clear and cold with those low temperatures right around freezing for some of us, 36, the forecast low temperature for us here in Savannah. And then for tomorrow afternoon, we will warm pretty nicely into the upper 50s to lower 60s, so a few degrees warmer than where we have been for today for most of us. We'll have a light breeze out of the east, 5 to 10 miles per hour. For the boaters, it's going to be a pretty decent day on the waterways. We'll have a little bit of a breeze out there, northeasterly 5 to 10 knots, seas right around 2 to 3 feet. So as far as that 7-day forecast, we're going to be looking at those rain chances being the highest for us on Wednesday, with those temperatures warming into just the upper 50s, colder and breezier for our Thursday. A bit of a chill in the air because of that strong breeze, but then freezing conditions for Friday and Saturday mornings, with rain chances returning for our Sunday, clearing out for Monday, but temperatures will be a little closer to normal by then with a mix of clouds and sunshine. That's looking at your forecast for now. Andrew, over to you.
Scott, thank you so much.